So I got a box of 1,000 holes that were fired one time, and sometimes you get some of these. You get these off the range where it looks like somebody stepped on them. Now, can you use these or throw them away? Well, it depends. Usually what I'll do is I'll go ahead and give them a try just to see if I can actually go ahead and open them up a little bit. Go ahead and get your sizing collar on. Drop that primer. Go ahead and inspect. Looks like everything worked out pretty good with that one so far. Go ahead and drop my primer in. Now with the damaged holes, I'll actually go ahead and feed it up in here. So that way there's not any damage while I'm trying to get it lined up correctly. Alright, so everything lined up. I've got it primed. Color came off pretty easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and drop my powder in. Grab a wad. Drop my shot. Go ahead and look for that little valley to line up. And final crimp. There we go. Not too bad for what was a damaged hole. So if you're questionable about some of them, just go ahead and inspect it. Take a look and see if it's worth your time and worth adding a primer to it. If it's cracked or a little bit way beyond repair, just throw it away.